man. You're crazy, man. You're crazy, man.
Kill you.
Fish.
Yeah, what?
Fish.
Kill the
Fish. Fish. What?
No.
Kill the fish.
No. Eat
Kill
the
the
fish.
fish.
No.
Eat the fish.
No.
Ew.
No.
Jacob.
Go eat the fish.
Jacob, you open the door.
Open the door.
I don't
Open
want
the door.
to because
Open the door.
I'm
Open
a
the
man.
door.
I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a man.
I'm a pretty girl.
I'm a man.
Come here, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
You
Tweety
weird.
guy.
Stop it.
Where's the pretty bird?
Shut. Okay.
Pretty bird.
Shut. Really.
Pretty bird.
Not really. Stop it. You're annoying. You're more annoying than Petra.
We're sorry, guys. The PlayStation's been off. Okay. 1 minute. Welcome back. I'm sorry, guys. We had to restart, but it's okay. So we're back with
Come here,
Jacob
Tweety
and
bird.
Jonathan.
Where's my Tweety bird?
Don't start with that.
Oh, where's my Tweety bird?
Really, it's annoying. People don't like that.
Okay, Mom.
There's no Tweety bird.
Let's go, baby. Okay, I got you. I got you.
You're annoying.
My eyes are hurting.
I'm going down. I'm going down.
Why did you throw a bomb?
Hey,
We're
watch,
only at
watch.
level 1.
Hey, silence! What?
What? You're too loud.
Hey,
Yeah?
yeah!
Yeah, what?
It's a grenade. It's not bomb.
I'll catch a grenade for ya.
Why are you singing? You're
I don't want
annoying.
to catch a grenade.
Okay, I saw you pass through,
I gotta
and you were like a ghost.
I got a sister annoying.
One kill to you, kill to you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Hey, 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 hey,
Whoa.
hey!
Hey,
Hey, you like that? But
What?
stop saying pretty bird.
What?
that's not. I'm not Jonathan. I'm. What? Who are you talking
Hey,
to?
Jonathan.
Jonathan's over there.
John!
I'm not here. I'm gone.
Gone with the wind. That's what they always say.
You freaking wait.
Jonathan, you can open a door. Come on, man.
Hey, I'm talking! Freaking grenade! Freaking grenade!
What's with the grenade?
Watch! Oh, I don't
Where
got
is the zombie?
I don't got grenade.
Oh, yeah,
Where's
you don't
my
have a
friend?
grenade.
Number what?
My
Number.
friend, where
What
are
is
you?
that? What number is
Where
that?
are you?
What? What number is that?
What number?
That!
Oh, 87.
Number 87.
You good.
Sydney, Sydney. Oh, come on, baby.
Yeah!
Yeah, we got some
We got some
bullets.
I'm not opening the next door.
Yeah!
You opened the wrong door.
What?
You are so
Oh, I didn't know it was the right door.
Hey!
Okay, Jacob, you.
No!
Jonathan.
Jonathan!
Wait, I just bought a door.
You don't buy
Yeah,
it?
but I'm letting the young one take a gun first.
Yeah, well,
Yeah!
you forgot something. If I buy this door, I have only 300 left.
I don't care! Come on!
You should have seen your hand. You were like, what? Gun? I only have this and.
Grenade for ya!
Yeah.
I got a grenade for ya!
Let's
I'll
go, baby.
catch a grenade. for
Nick.
ya.
Oh, yeah. What the heck was that? Who's that?
Spring, man!
You died of loneliness.
That's
You died
scary.
because you didn't want.
That's freaking scary, man!
He's
the
a freaking
dog.
zombie.
A freaking dog, man! Like a dog!
I have a sniper.
Hey, your mouth is so loud.
Wow, what a great gun.
Ah, shoot, I'm still with no gun.
Hey, what gun is that?
Oh, yeah.
It's a sniper.
No, my
do I
gun.
get? What
Your
do I
gun?
get?
I don't know.
No, my name the gun.
Do I get?
My name's the
What
gun.
gun do I get?
Hey, my name is the my
Ah,
gun.
Mr. My gun.
Oh my gosh, stop. Really? Stop talking.
You stop talking.
Oh my gosh.
You got a nice gun.
My luck is not good.
You got popsicle head here?
Popsicle head? Where's Popsicle? I love Popsicle.
Oh, it's Jacob the popsicle
Hey,
head.
Alexandra.
What?
Popsicle.
Popsicle?
Yeah.
Give me my epic
You
dance.
scream like a girl.
No.
epic dance.
What are you talking, man?
Hey, dancing.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay.
Where is
Okay.
There's gonna be something.
That is a big destruction. It's an apocalypse.
Hey,
This is it.
Radioactive.
This is a big explosion.
Jonathan.
What the hell? There's still fire.
Jonathan, you. Oh my gosh.
Where are the
Listen.
zombies?
Listen, Jonathan. You're beautiful.
What?
What? Let's.
Oh, got
I'm
him.
gonna ask something. Why is this thing wrong?
Get him.
Where is that going?
I'm watching it.
No, I'm watching it.
It's going.
I'm watching it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm coming. I'm coming with my sniper.
You scream like a boy.
A sniper. Interesting.
Interesting for me, yes.
Hey, what the frick? Hey, a teddy bear. That's not a
Oh,
teddy
yeah,
bear.
better.
Whoa. Epic fail.
We have to.
What? We're not in Minecraft, you know. There's no skeleton.
Hey.
One shot kill.
Hey.
Twice in a row. We got it twice in a row. One shot kill.
Yes, Jacob.
Dance.
Dance. Okay, epic dance.
That's what we got that.
No, really.
Go on. Okay. Well,
Stop
Okay.
the camera.
I don't get it.
I want
Yeah.
to talk.
Epic dance.
No, really. Stop the camera.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were
Fun.
Epic dance fail. Wait, I'm just gonna back up this.
Oh my gosh.
Who's hitting you?
I'm dying.
Who's hitting what?
A zombie.
What? Who's hitting who right now?
Look at this. This is what we got.
Wow.
This is not good.
Guys, it's so tough.
It's the speed cola. It's a good
Wait,
thing.
wait.
Are you crazy, man?
Guys,
That's what we want first. First of all,
round
we need the
five.
juggernaut.
1-5.
Round 5.
Oh, that's not good.
Got him in the head.
I got it. A shotgun.
Bullseye.
Protect me. I'm going somewhere. Really.
Okay.
Did I kill you? Did I kill you?
Bullseye again. Okay, Jacob's gone right now.
Where is he?
We need to protect him. Where is he?
Where is he?
Oh, he's over on the other side.
He's not here. He's not here.
He is... What? What? Where is he?
Go on.
Where did he go? What?
He's on the other side, man.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna arrange this. Oh!
Supposed to protect 2 people.
Excuse me, I need help here.
How? I'm gonna do that.
Hello?
I'm coming first. Wait. I'm stuck in the corner.
Oh, great.
Oh crap.
Get it! Get out of the corner!
I got out.
Get out of there! Come on, man!
We couldn't save you because of the plumber.
Oh, okay.
I'm dying. Help.
Saving you now.
Mommy.
Is that you,
Your
Mama?
mommy?
No, there. Watch.
Okay, I have this.
Oh, you have a nice gun.
Yeah, I do.
Like mine.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that.
Wow, that's a sniper. Yeah, you're my brother now.
I know, I'm gonna choose
I want
the
to.
other one.
No, I'm the real brother.
I got another shotgun.
Jonathan is not the real brother.
Ah, what? I'm the real brother. What are you
No,
talking about?
we are, huh? Alexandra.
Yeah.
You're not brother.
Yeah, I am.
Yes, he is.
Not you. You're a
Oh.
sister.
Oh, not me.
Oh,
Okay.
come on, man.
Come on, man. Epic fail. Now it's changing sides. Okay. We know where it's supposed to
Where's
go.
the teddy bear?
It changes.
The teddy
Maybe I
bear.
Get out of the way, man.
Maybe a new face.
What are you talking about? It's a good gun I have. I have a
Got
shotgun.
him.
I'm shooting your legs.
These nuts.
Look at that.
This is good. I don't know what you're talking about.
Leg.
Oh no, I love him. Pickle.
Sometimes he would be weird.
Ooh,
Jonathan.
What the heck? He's dead now.
always.
He's always been weird.
Yeah.
What? I'm not weird.
Because you're talking so much, I don't know what he's saying. No, really.
You're dead.
Stop.
I don't like this sniper. Uh-oh.
Oh no!
I died.
You're dying. You're bad. Oh my.
Excuse me.
3 in 1 shot.
Is somebody gonna help me?
Oh, baby, a triple.
Oh,
Yeah,
3 in 1
triple.
shot.
Triple. Wait, you got 3 people?
Yeah, wait, my
Oh,
sniper.
baby, I'm a triple.
Yes.
You got the
Triple. Come on.
Hey, what is that? A TV. I want the TV. I want to watch Elmo.
What? You?
What?
Elmo?
Did you say Elmo?
That's not nice. Elmo's not a nice person.
Yeah.
You're so weird. Okay,
Relaxing.
that is so weird.
Relaxing.
Elmo is a kid's show. You're so weird, Jonathan.
Elmo doesn't
Baby
exist.
Dora. You love Dora. You're in love. You love Dora. And
Dora.
Diego is
There's a present for you.
your parents.
I don't mind
Don't like
Diego.
Diego.
I don't mind Diego.
I don't like Diego. Maybe. I don't know. He's brown. That's
What?
racist.
That is so racist.
What the heck? What?
That's a racist video. No, it's not. It's just a weird video. Hey, stop.
Excuse me. Are you gonna keep this for yourself?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, you got a good gun.
Elmo,
go.
Elmo P.
I'm looking for.
Elmo P.
Elmo pee.
Got him.
Did you say Elmo's peeing?
Oh my god.
What? Once again.
Ew, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Elmo. Why are you talking about
I found Elmo. Look at this. The new Elmo.
that? Is
You're
just
talking so
zombie.
loud, I don't know what you understand you. I don't know what he's saying. Because he's talking so much, I don't know what he's saying.
Hey, I love shotguns.
Where?
Another present for you.
Wait, where?
Where is it coming
Where?
from? Where is that coming from? Come on, man.
What? You're freaky, man. You freak me, man.
I know where.
Oh, he's been shot in the head. Yeah.
Ooh, Jonathan?
Bullseye.
Jonathan?
No, not Jonathan.
Oh, the brother of Jonathan.
What? You're my brother.
You're his
Oh,
brother.
you got Zachary and Julian.
Okay, well, one is dead and one's not here. So,
I don't care.
I don't care.
weird.
He doesn't care.
My dad
You're
is.
weird.
My dad
You're
is.
weird, my good.
My dad is there. Oh,
I need
you're
to
dead.
save-
You're
I
dead.
need to save-
You're
I need
dead.
to
Sorry.
Hey,
Do you? Oh,
you dead. Boy, parent. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
You have a
You're dead.
zombie friend.
You're dead. You gummy bear. How much you gummy?
I saw. Look at your face.
How much you gummy?
okay, well,
Gummy.
Jacob saved
Gummy.
you.
I want to get a bear. Bear.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! There's
I want
a
to
zombie.
go. Oh, to there.
Wow, we had to have that. Thank you. I'm gonna take it.
Guys, not me.
There's two.
Hey,
Remember?
dance. Yeah.
Yeah, dance.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I gotta
Give me a good gun.
Hey,
Okay,
Alexandra.
Okay, I shot him in.
Alexandra.
Yeah.
I got a good gun. I got a monkey.
Yes. Yes, I got a good gun.
I got a monkey bomb. Monkey bomb. Monkey bomb. Monkey bomb.
Why do we have this thing sniper?
That's weird because you're weird. No.
Okay, what am I gonna have?
No.
Okay.
No. What is that? Warning.
I think Princess was in the way.
Cat. Warning, cat.
This guy here is afraid of you.
Really?
That was such an epic fail.
What?
Let's re-show that.
Hey, Alexandra. I heard gay. Okay.
Okay.
Julian. Jonathan, you
Did you
gay?
say Julian's gay?
No.
What? Julian?
Jonathan. Your brother's dead.
He's dead. Yeah.
Yeah, you're weird.
I'm very weird.
Yeah, you're weird.
Okay, I thought you said that Julian and Jonathan was gay.
No.
Not gay. You stupid. You student.
You student.
Julian is dead. We He's
Oh,
Julian.
there's a freak.
He's Julian is there. You gay.
He's a freak.
Julian is there. Jonathan is gay.
Oh.
She's a super freak.
Super freak. Yeah. Oh my freak.
Who's dead?
Don't worry, I got those zombies.
Alexandra.
We're taking turns dying.
Oh,
Jacob
shoot.
took the first thing.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
Well, I just did something incredible.
Yeah, what? Peeing?
What?
What?
Peeing? Peeing? Who's peeing?
Jonathan.
That's so disgusting.
Peeing and
Did you
Julian.
know that I got this gun, and this gun,
Hey,
and this gun,
hey.
and this gun?
Really stop. Jonathan peeing in the pants of Julian.
What?
Okay, you know, you're disgusting.
I don't care. He's dead. He's zombie. We are fighting
What?
Can
Julian.
you stop?
What? He's a new Julian.
Yeah. No.
Look, this is Julian.
dead.
Hey, Julian.
You killed your brother.
I didn't have a choice.
Comparing a zombie to
Comparing a
Yeah, because Julian's
your
dead.
baby brother because
Like,
he's
There's a
Julian.
fast zombie. There's a
Hey.
fast zombie. Come on, man.
Julian's dead. Julian's zombie, okay?
Who has the fast zombie?
No, Julian. Your head is cut off.
We're
Okay,
sorry,
no.
Julian.
Did you know that Julian was a baby? He died when he...
I know. I don't care.
So, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, you grow up. He's a man
He's
now.
grown up
A man
as a
and
zombie.
Zombie man.
It doesn't make
Well,
sense.
zombies are dead, so that's
Yeah.
why he grew up as a zombie.
It's impossible. He was just a baby.
And now it's grounder.
Now he's a granddaughter.
What's that?
A granddaughter?
No, grounder
What?
said.
She's not a girl.
Julian is dead. Why Julian gay?
What? Julian's gay?
Oh my God.
Julian's gay.
Stop it. You're annoying. You're annoying. I can't laugh.
Did you say you're so annoying that you
Oh,
can't laugh?
come on, man.
Who's dead?
I'm dying.
Jacob's dead.
Water.
Oh, the murderer! Murderer!
I'm a murderer. Murderer. I'm a murderer.
What?
Hey, hello.
And hey! Oh, watch out!
Oh, come on, Julian. Hey. What the
Oh
freak?
no!
What
Jacob!
the freak?
Jacob, help!
You're dead, but you wake up.
You get out there!
You wake up.
Oh. Epic fail!
Epic 9.
That's
Oh.
epic fail!
No.
Sorry,
Julian.
guys.
Julian, go down.
That's-
Julian,
Epic
do that
fail. You
new.
do better than
Julian,
mine.
come on.
Sorry,
Julian.
guys. I think we'll have to see you on the next time.
Vernon, Julian, come on.